This next procedure is a procedure for suctioning a person's mouth. The procedure is usually done when a person cannot safely clear their mouth of secretions, either thick saliva, mucus, or emesis. If the person is unconscious or not breathing, call 911. The equipment that you need for suctioning a person's mouth is a portable suction machine, a Yankauer catheter, which has a wide opening, which is adequate for thick secretions, gloves, goggles, face mask or face shield, glass of water, something to clean your hands with, and a towel for the person. When you're suctioning somebody, you need to be close to an electrical outlet because all the machines run on electricity. The parts of the machine are the valve that indicates the amount of pressure that is being exerted, tubing that connects the pump with the collection chamber, and tubing that you attach to the catheter. Machines also will have an off-on switch that are located in various places. When you turn the machine on, the valve will indicate that there is pressure. The procedure for suctioning a person, first you want to explain the procedure to the person. It's painless, but it may be frightening, so you want to provide comfort measures for them. Position the person in semi-Fowlers for conscious and side lying if they're unconscious. You want to wash your hands. Put gloves on. Since you're suctioning a person and they could cough in your face, you want to protect yourself by wearing goggles and a face mask. And then you can attach the catheter to the end of the tubing. When suctioning a person, you can check to make sure that there's adequate suction by suctioning a small amount of water. Then you want to insert the catheter along the gum line to the back of the pharynx. You don't want to go back behind the tongue. The tubing becomes clogged. You can clear it with water. And you don't want to suction for longer than 15 seconds. You want to avoid hitting the person's gag reflex. When you're done, you want to clear the tubing of any mucus by suctioning the remaining water. Turn the machine off. When you're done suctioning the person, you want to perform oral hygiene. You may want to use a toothat to ensure that their mouth is clean. If respirations have not improved, you need to contact a nurse. You want to leave the machine ready for the next use. If it's going to be used on the same person, you can insert the catheter back into the container, the wrapper. It should be labeled and dated and replaced every 24 hours. If you don't anticipate using it again, you need to leave the machine clean and ready for use. Dispose of the catheter, replace the catheter with a new catheter so it's ready, and the collection chamber then can be emptied and disinfected with a solution of Clorox water of a 1:10 ratio. You need to document, when you document, you're documenting secretions, the amount, color, consistency, the frequency of suctioning, and the client's tolerance of the procedure.